Well, hello, YouTubers. How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? I hope you're doing pretty good. Well, I'm not really sure how to present this video. Some of you will know what happened to the old Neon, and we'll talk about that in the comment section. But I wanted to talk about these little dummy spare tires and how they can actually get you home. A lot of people frown up on these things. They see them in their vehicle, and they just don't pay attention to them. They neglect them. They don't keep them aired up and check them. And I was clear down in Florida, and I had to drive home about 900 miles, and I had to put this dummy spare on. And I'll tell you how far I actually drove on this thing, which is pretty impressive. Here's the tire that was on it. I actually backed in to a piece of glass, and it kind of sliced the tire up. And I didn't see this until I pulled the vehicle up a little bit and realized I had a flat. And I even had my toolkit with me here to fix tires with. There's no way that I could have fixed that. So luckily, I had my spare little tire with me, a dummy tire, and I had it aired up. And I wanted to show you the tread so far. The tread on this thing looks pretty impressive still. I ended up driving 900 miles on this tire, and it got me from North Florida all the way up to West Virginia, home, believe it or not. Now, I was going to, like I said, try to fix the regular tire, but I couldn't fix it, and it was late at night, and I just drove through the night until I got home. And I thought, well, by the time I get home, this dummy tire, it's going to be bald, no good. But I was really impressed. So, 950 miles to be exact on this dummy tire. So, I know a lot of vehicles now, when you buy them, they give you these little tires like this to save money because they don't want to give you a full-size spare and rim. But if you have one of these before you go on a trip, or periodically just check them to make sure they have air in them. From now on, I am going to make sure I have one of these with me just to get me home, because you just don't know when these tires, you may need them. So, and you'll thank me later after watching this video. So maybe go out today and check your tire, make sure it's aired up. If it's sitting, in your trunk or underneath your vehicle or whatever. And if you have an SUV, you may have to drop it down from below a full-size tire. If you have one of those, you may have to check and just kind of push on it and see if it has any air in it, or even take it off and check the pressure and air it up. So this will save you a tow bill, $300 or $400, if you just spend 5 minutes on your spare tires and make sure they're okay. All right, guys, so that's it. And if you want to know more about what happened to the vehicle, we'll talk about that in the comment section below. But other than that, believe in your dummy spares, okay? They will get you home. 950 miles, and I'm a happy man. All right, until my next video, guys. I'll see you then.